I think it's important that market access is considered right across the life cycle, from pre-launch, into the main phase of a product, and also at the end of its life as well. So for me, market access strategies need to be coherent and systematic right throughout the product life cycle and not in one part only. I think it's important to consider market access strategies in the context of a permission strategy or strategies, and also demand strategies. And what I mean by permission strategies are how free is a clinician to prescribe that particular product, and by demand strategies, how much do they want to prescribe that particular product. And in permission strategies, we have a range of items that we can consider, including funding flows, who is the responsible commissioner, where are the policy links and guidance and hooks to contextualise our arguments. In demand strategies, we want to think about evidence-led, real patient stories. What is the role of patient advocacy groups, in order to ensure that both permission and demand strategies are linked together in a sustainable way. Well, I think partnership working between the industry and the NHS, or indeed the healthcare system on a wider basis, is really important. And I think both parties need to put the patient at the forefront of their thinking. And if you put the patients first, as somebody famous once said in a pharmaceutical company, the profits will follow. So targeting patients, working out what we can do together, maybe about disease awareness, maybe about patient finding, maybe about optimising pathways and treatment arrangements, etc., are where true and sustainable market access comes from. Well, there are a number of examples of very good working between the pharmaceutical industry and the NHS. One can think of ones around COPD, which are founded upon finding patients for treatments, ensuring that there is early diagnosis and therefore early treatment, which leads to good market access. One can think about programs around adherence. One could think about other programs where there might be joint approaches to handling financial limitations by targeting particular patients. There are many and varied approaches and successful examples of the NHS and the industry working together.